really be heading to your concert? We're already very late.
Whoa, look at all the looky-loos.
Oh, hey, the VIP tour. Welcome, everyone.
What's happening? People.
Scooter?
Hey, what's happening?
Wait, you have been at the studio this whole time?
Indeed. We've been rehearsing for the big show.
We're at the big show, and you were due on stage hours ago.
Hey, Scooter, why didn't you tell us we was late?
But Sam?
I will gladly stall with yet another recitation of the Federalist Papers. However, I do fear that, like the great patriots who threw tea into Boston Harbor, the audience is beginning to revolt.
Good grief. I don't know how much longer this crowd's gonna wait.
Don't worry, Kermit. The mayhem will be there.
Good.
Though I have no idea how. Dr. Honeydew?
Oh, excuse us. Beaker and I were just testing the latest innovation from Muppet Labs, the lengthy immediate motion object.
A limo.
It's pronounced limo, actually.
How fast can I get the band here?
Factoring in the current traffic conditions.
You got a minute and a half. Okay, you should get going.
But what about all of
You
them?
know how we feel about our band.
All right, how about backstage passes for everyone?
Love that idea.
Me too. Get moving.
Come on, gang. We got places to be and people to rock.
Please.